Okay.
right? Wanted to show you something funny which someone showed me one time. This is, I think they call them Strzeleckia, bird of paradise. And I always thought, yeah, okay, it looks a bit like a bird and wings. But someone showed me this, which really, really blew me away. If you could use your imagination here, if I put my hand like that and use this as the head and the beak, and they're the wings. And you can see a bird, like a hummingbird, flying and going down into the flower of the plant. And I've always thought of looking at it the other way around. And once you turn the picture around, it truly looks like a bird.